Hey, I'm Barrett, and today I want to show you reporting and analytics in Dealer Admin. Let's get started. Reporting and analytics in Dealer Admin allow you to see real-time analytics for your business and your systems. You can also select between pre-configured reports and fully customizable reports. Let's take a look at that now. Once you've logged into Dealer Admin, on the right-hand menu, select Tools, then select Reporting and Analytics. In the top right, you'll see the Metrics section. This gives you a quick view of how many new customers, how many new systems, and app users you've added over a set period of time. To the left of that is the Quick Reports section. This is where you can select a pre-configured quick report and run it with just the click of a button. Let's take a look at all systems with low cell signal today. Simply click the button and Dealer Admin will run that report instantly. From here you can see these systems have had low cell signal. You can see the customer name, the system name, their email, and the signal of the cellular communicator. At any time, you can export this report in a CSV or a PDF format. Let's click back. Scroll down to Custom Reports. Custom Reports allows you to create fully customizable reports that fit your needs and the information that you're looking for. Let's set one up now. In the Reports section, select the type of report you'd like to run. You can run a report of new systems, virtual keypad services such as Z-Wave, video, or advanced reports. You can also see system troubles, and you can run a report of installs by installer and salesperson. Today I'll select virtual keypad services. You can run a report for a specific system type or across all system types. I'll keep this on any. To the right, you can select the date range. I'll select the last 14 days. And finally, select the connection type. You can run this report on Easy Connect panels or cellular panels or Easy Connect and cell backup panels. I'll select any. At the bottom, you can select the virtual keypad service type you'd like to run this report on. For example, you could run a report where Z-Wave, lights, locks, and thermostats are disabled. This would be a great way for you to build a list of customers to offer add-ons like Z-Wave to. Let's run another one. I'll deselect Z-Wave. Now I'll select what customers of mine have door control turned on, but advanced reports disabled. These are customers that are using access control and virtual keypad, but are not taking advantage of all of the benefits of advanced reports. Again, this gives you a great start on a list of customers that you can offer an easy upsell to. When you have this report set up the way you'd like, you can select Run Report and Dealer Admin will automatically run it for you. From there, you can export that report in any format you'd like. Additionally, you can save this report and have it ran on a schedule of your choosing. Let's take a look at that. I'll click Save Report, and now you can see I can give this report a title. I'll call it Door Control plus Advanced Reports. Below this, I can select the report format I'd like to receive this in. I can either get this in an Excel format, HTML, or a PDF format. I'll select PDF. Below that, you'll decide who you'd like this report sent to. Dealer Admin automatically inputs the email that you've logged in with, but you can add any email you'd like to in this field. To the right, you select how often you'd like to run this report. Simply select the time zone and the frequency in which you'd like to receive this report. In this case, I'd like to receive this report every week on Monday morning at 8 a.m. Once I have this set up, click Save. Now that this report is saved, it appears under the Saved Reports section. At any time, you can run this report manually, delete this report, or edit the aspects of this report. Reporting and analytics give you great insight into your installations and your business. All from Dealer Admin, you can create fully customizable reports that can be emailed to you when you need them and how you want them. That's reporting and analytics in Dealer Admin.